Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an e-commerce app. My name is Nischay Dhiman and I'm a Ruby on Rails developer at Webonize. For mobile app, we are going to use Ionic framework. We chose Ionic because it's a hybrid framework. It's completely free and open source and it is built on AngularJS, one of the most popular frameworks backed by Google itself. So for backend, we are going to use Ruby on Rails with Spree integration. So Ruby on Rails is an open source web development framework and Spree is a library built for Ruby on Rails which gives you pre-built e-commerce architecture. So let's start guys. First and foremost, we'll start with the Rails setup and we are going to follow Rails official site for this. Rails new project name. Bundle installing. We are going to configure the Spree configurations and installing the authentication gateways. Let's fire up the Rails server. So there you go, we have a shopping website ready. Let's start with the Ionic setup quickly. So to install Ionic, you need to have Node.js pre-installed and run this command. And then we can create a project using Ionic start and referring to the templates we want to use. We are going to use the tabs template. We will do Ionic serve to run it on browser. Let's quickly add a login page. Let's set the root navigation to login page. Let's just add a credentials form in login.ts. We will need form builder for this. Let's add necessary HTML for this. Let's add a submit button for this form. So we are going to use pre-latest API SDK to call Rails app APIs. So npm installing the Storefront API SDK. We'll just initialize the client on port number 4000. Now we need authentication post request. So we have the bearer token in the local storage. So now after successful login page, we need to redirect it to a listing page. So we can utilize tab 1 page. We can have all the list of products in that page. So let's just do the setup for that. let's do the setup for tab 1 page and get all the product list. So the response of Storefront V2 APIs are different than from the legacy Spree APIs. So Spree is using fast JSON API gem which is provided by Netflix, and it uses JSON API schema built architecture. So that is why it is very fast, and it is claimed to be 25 times faster than the normal active record serializer. Okay, so let's quickly add necessary HTML for the product listing. Okay, just let's just add a button to add the product directly to the cart. So this is how a product listing look like. Let's add to cart function, and we'll add some toast message for it as well. So let's make tab 2 as a cart listing page. Get cart details. Add listing of cart in HTML. Let's try adding few products in the cart. So yeah, it is working. Now from cart, we need to add a page that will include the shipping details and the payment details all together. So we'll skip the three-step process and we will do the whole complete process in one go. Okay, let's create a shipping form using form builder. Let's create this form in HTML. Okay. On submit, let's complete all the checkout flow in one go. After order completion, let's redirect the page to my orders listing page. So this is how our shipping page looks like. Let's change some values and submit. So let's quickly set up tab 3 for my orders listing page. We will only display order total and order number. So before proceeding to build APK, we need to configure the network security settings in config.xml. Let's add Android platform first. We are using Cordova for this. So we can directly launch the application from Ionic command line tools. App is automatically installed in Emulator. So here is our main login page. We can see list of products. Let's add few in cart and proceed to checkout. So now you can see it in my completed orders. So that's it guys. We have our basic e-commerce application ready. If you have any issues, please do let me know. Thank you for watching.